Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's first time you're seeing my face. My name is Yeti and you're welcome to Yeti's Secrets. Today on Yeti's Secrets, I'm going to be talking about how to make your glow oil yourself. If you're at home, you can make your glow oil and then you are good to go. Today I'm going to be showing how to make this wonderful oil. Please just have to watch this video to the end. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Please, let's go straight to the video and make this wonderful oil. Thank you. Hey, welcome. So let's go straight to the video. Let's see how to make this glow oil, this effective glow oil. So I have this oil with me, sweet almond oil. Just pour our sweet almond oil inside. I'm going to let you know how many ml I put inside, because I'm using how many gram I put inside, so you can calculate it with your percentage. Then you know how you are going to put your own if you are doing more large quantity, so you know how to put it. But you just have to know how to calculate it in percentage so that you can get the correct gram for everything. In case you are using, we're going to use 50 gram. In case you want to use 200 gram or any other gram that you want to use, so you just have to know how to calculate in percentage. So I'm going with another oil. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the everything I'm using. Don't worry about that. So this is our next oil. This is our next oil I'm putting inside. So you can see this is our next oil I'm putting inside. This is a simple way to make a glow oil, and trust me, it's going to glow your skin very well. Like you don't have to have any. All this oil I'm using is natural oil. I'm using rosehip oil, almond oil, and it's a lot of natural oil inside this. So you just have to give it a try and let me know in the comment section. So this is another oil I'm adding to it. This is another oil I'm adding to it, and trust me, all these oil is very good for the skin. They are very good for the skin. Just have to give it a try and try it on your skin. Then you will know. You will see that they are very good on the skin. This is another oil I'm adding to it. They are very good for the skin, and it's natural oil as well. After adding all our oils, we just have to mixing the oil together. You can see how the oil is so beautiful. The oil is beautiful. All this oil, they are natural and beautiful oil I have here, and they glow your skin. Oh my god, you just have to try this on your skin. Like, so I made it for one of my customer, and she loved it and said that she wants more of it. That's why I have to make another one for her. So this is the oil. It's naturally natural. You can see this oil. So I'm going to add 2%. I'm going to add 2% of my sepia white to this oil, because I want this oil to glow the skin. Then I don't want it to have a dull skin anytime you are using it. I don't want it to have a dull skin anytime you are using it. So that's why I'm adding 2% of my sepia white powder inside this oil. So just want to add my sepia white powder 2% and 2% to this wonderful oil. Then I will show you how it's done. So 2% of our Sepia white powder. This is my sepia white powder. I'm adding inside the oil. You know, sepia powder can only dissolve 2% over sepia white powder. This is my sepia white powder. I'm adding inside the oil. You know, sepia powder can only dissolve inside oil, so that's why I'm adding it on inside this oil. Then I'm going to heat it up for some minutes. So trust me, this oil is not going to, if you're using some oil, they can dull your skin and all, but this one is going to glow your skin. Your skin will come out and you're going to see that, oh, this is what I use. Yes, just try this oil, then let me know how it is. Just have to try this oil. Try it and let me know what you think about this oil. Please, if you want me to make any video, all what I'm doing there is all natural, no any chemical inside this. Everything that I put here is all natural oil, because I use rosehip, I use sweet almond oil, I use argan oil. I use argan oil to make this recipe. You can see, you don't have to pack all the oil in this oil and pour inside your oil, inside your recipe before your skin glow. No, just have to pick a natural oil that is good, that is very, very good for your skin. Just have to try to check which oil is good. What am I going to achieve in this oil? So just have to check it, then combine them together and your percentage to know which one you're going to use to get this. So that's why we are using this particular oil to make it. You can see we've not use a lot of oil. We've not use like 10 oil inside this thing. We only use like a selected oil to make this wonderful glow oil. Yes, you can see this is the oil. I'm going to heat it up for some time, then I will bring it back to see how beautiful it is, because I want this powder. You can see I want this powder to dissolve very, very well to this. So I'll be back. Come back, guys. So after I double boil it, so I have this wonderful color. You can see this is a beautiful color of our glow oil, and this oil is really good. So I'm trying to put some on my hand. You can see this glow oil is really good. I just have to try this and let me know how it is. You can see this is no magic. You can see how this is glow. Like, just have to get this, try this and let me know what you think about it. And this I'm still going to put it in my, I'm going to put my chamomile bud inside. Then I'm going to sieve it out and put it in my container. This is my wash container. I already washed it, so you can see this. I'm going to put it in my container. Then I'm going to pack it. Then I will give it to my customer. In case you want this oil, you can also contact us. My number is at this. You can check my number and this place and chat me up if you want any of my products. Yes, thank you so much for watching Yeti Secret today, and I promise to do more video of natural, like pure natural products for you to, you can do it yourself at home or anywhere you are. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the measurement of what I use in this video to make this glow, this natural glow oil. I'm going to drop it. Yes, I'm going to drop it, and you can give it a try on your own. I'm going to drop the measurement, and please, you need to know how to calculate in percentage, so that anytime you want to do particular products, you will just know that, oh, this is what I'm going to achieve if I do this and do that. Thank you so much for watching to this minute. I really appreciate. Please subscribe and share it to others to see the video. Please don't just watch and subscribe as well. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you some other time. Bye.